Rohit and me have worked together, but most of the people here who are friends and colleagues for years, I feel a little responsible that I should not let them down in this film.
No, it's just been a beautiful experience, and I think, of course, for any actor, it's a dream, to share screen space with Shah Rukh sir, Kajol ma'am, in Rohit sir's film. So, in just a line, I think I'm just living my dream. I've just lived it throughout.
That's fake humility.
हाँ, अभी थोड़ी असली बात हो जाए. हाँ, क्या बोलना था?
असली बात तो ये है कि पीछे बोल रहा था, I am so good in the film. मुझे आपका पता नहीं है, but I am so cute in the film. The सामने से it's all like, oh, I'm so happy to be here. They're such great people. And, we are so cool. And I'm just so small and humble. And then pीछे तो, I am so cool, Baba. That started. That's happening.
So, Varun, how are you in the film? Tell us.
I think I'm cute in the film.
चलो granted 10 on 10 मिल गया. जॉनी सर आपकी बेटी क्या एक्टिंग करती है सर, कमाल है. Just a complete patch on you. I love you. I've loved your daughter as well also, sir. बताइए ये पूरा कास्ट ऐसा लग रहा है one big happy family. बहुत बुरा लग रहा है मेरे को कि मैं सिर्फ एक रात के लिए आपकी इस फैमिली का एक हिस्सा बनाऊं. बट कैसे रहा पूरा एक्सपीरियंस सर?
बहुत बढ़िया. मैं यही कहूँगा कि मेरी कुछ अच्छी फिल्मों में से एक बेहतरीन फिल्म ये है दिलवाले, जिसमें बेहतरीन मेरा रोल है. जो ट्रेलर में है ये कुछ भी नहीं है. आगे जो आएंगे मेरे ख्याल मेरे कुछ सीन्स के बारे में मुझसे अच्छा काजोल कह सकती है.
एक्चुअली जॉनी भाई के साथ काम करने में इतना मजा आया हमको. We've all fallen down laughing, literally. I mean, जो कॉमेडी वो ऑन स्क्रीन करते हैं, ऑफ स्क्रीन उससे कई ज्यादा करते हैं. और शूटिंग करते वक्त भी हमने we've actually अगर आप आउटटेक्स देखेंगे, so there are a lot of outtakes. Let me put it that way.
But वो rolling credits में आएगा ना? We'll ask Rohit sir about that. अगर आएगा कि नहीं. Preetham sir, so good to see you. I have to share this story and then I'm going to ask you the question. So Preetham sir, I've never seen in a suit. He said 4 बार मैंने लाइफ में सूट पहना है और रास्ते में वो सूट खरीद के आए थे. Sir, this is a lie. How can a suit fit you so perfectly? आज तक मेरे को ये शर्ट और पैंट फिट नहीं आई है perfectly, sir.
नहीं, एक्चुअली मैं यूज्ड टू नहीं सूट पहनना.
अच्छा.
But
under pressure because of Shah Rukh sir.
लेकिन he's blow dried his hair and come today.
नहीं, blow dried नहीं,
just wash.
Natural. It's natural.
Sir, but you're back to giving all the super hit numbers that you want. कई बार अपने आप की सक्सेस से आप बोर हो जाते हो क्या? Do you feel under pressure because of your own success?
No, इस time तो it's a extremely special because the first time I'm actually working in a film with him in it, and I've been always wanting, and whenever I've met SRK, I've told him that, sir, I want to be at least scoring before I get away, like score one.
Get away? Where are you going, sir?
Whenever.
No, please.
Jatti तो आ गई already.
So this is very special for me because this is the first time I'm doing a movie with. I did Billu Baba, but you were just one.
Billu sir, the barber was cut.
But Billu mein Shah sir only had a special appearance, but here and doing a romantic song for both of them is, I think, is a blessing for any music director because I'm happy and I think I'm blessed that I've got to do 2 romantic songs, which is.
Chalo, one French plat now.
And beyond a doubt, you would have done complete justice to it. This lady in the middle, my God, how beautiful are you looking there? Can you please tell us a beauty regime, Kriti? I really want to know. कितनी बार आप दिन में face wash करते हैं दिन में? कितनी बार आप ये? How can you look so beautiful on screen?
Are you seriously going to ask me all these questions here?
No, because the rest of the film question they'll ask. No.
Film के बारे में
वो तो ये पूछेंगे. I'm here to just do the comic relief.
I'll tell you her exercise regime.
Asha, please, we would.
Her exercise regime is to squat with everybody around because she's so tall कि हम सबको मतलब बहुत लंबी heels पहननी पड़ती है.
इन्होंने कोई heel नहीं पहनी है, देखा.
Basically, we've made sure that wherever she is in the shot, she's squatting. तो ये exercise regime है. That's why she's so fit and thin in the film.
I'm very scared to ask you anything.
Why do you think I'll tell the truth?
No. Because I'm enjoying this so much also. So now this.
Don't ask me a question.
No, I will.
Because
listen, this pairing is legendary, and it's very rare that we say that to people who are still
legendary.
acting. See, I'm suddenly made it sound very old.
खत्म हो गई.
नहीं, but सुनो, ये बहुत ही amazing. So, what is it about you and Shah Rukh that the button just comes on? I mean, when you're on front of the screen, how does it just suddenly come on?
buttons come off, man.
I put myself into that, didn't I, sir? So the switch, does the switch just come on? Let's put it that way.
I honestly think it's also because we don't take ourselves that seriously as you seem to do. I really think that. I think that it's just that we just have fun and we work well together. We're good friends, and I think that's what comes across, honestly. What do you have to say?
Yes, we are good friends.
We're just good friends.
Kabir sir, can we just hear your voice?
Of course you can.
There we go.
For me, it's just such a privilege being in a Rohit Shetty film that reunites Shah Rukh and Kajol with such a fabulous gathering of actors and cast and talent. And I also want to acknowledge Vinod Khanna's presence in this film, because Vinod and I, we are the root problem of this film. We are the root problem. So Vinod couldn't be here today, but I'm very grateful to be paired against him after a long time. And we began our career many years ago with a film called Kache Dhage. And we've been acting against each other since then. But what a joy to be in this film. What a great team. And I hope you all absolutely enjoy it in the screens as much as I enjoyed shooting it. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. What a presence you have. Right. Sir, आप silent mat rahe, Nawab ji. Your muscles have just remained as the same as the last 15 years.
Yes, kind of showed a lot of muscles. I had a great time in Bulgaria. There was a lot of action sequence. I was lucky to do a lot of action there.
Yeah.
Chasing Khan Sahab all over Sofia. So that was a great schedule here.
Chasing
Sofia is a place in Bulgaria. Otherwise you will kal aa jayega ek aur heroine hai Sofia.
Khans are fighting for Sofia.
So I had a great time. Did a lot of action. And I was lucky enough to be even in the other part of the film, which is 15 years later. So I had that little change in that. So I had a great time. Thanks to everyone.
Thank you.
Sir,
Thank you.
I'll come to you, sir. It pains me, sir, sometimes to see your films. Look at the cars, sir. What are you doing to all the cars?
Leave that to them. The first question is कि इतनी गाड़ियाँ क्यों उड़ाते हो?
Okay, so I'll leave the cars part. But listen, I've seen you got this really nice car. I've seen your car. I've trailed you one day just to see if it was you. Do you respect your own cars as much?
Yes, obviously.
Yes.
I do. And this is also respect. This is love.
I don't want to know your definition of love
It's a
with
passionate love. You always
Passionate
destroy
love.
the things you love.
It's only. But you know, otherwise, you also have this fantastic tag. When actors have their tags of how many millions of crores they've made, you come with that tag also, the thousands of crores that your films have made also. So how do you
How
handle
many
that?
thousands of crores has he blown up? How about that?
But you're always very calm and cool, like, हाँ ठीक है यार, बन गया तो बन गया, and it's made money. But so somewhere along the line, do you ever celebrate the success? Is there like, yes, I made the 500 crores? Do you ever feel like that?
Not really. Actually, they always tell me कि आप ऐसे क्यों? आपको कोई फर्क ही नहीं पड़ रहा है. फिल्म बन गई या फिल्म इतनी हिट हो गई या whatever जो पहले भी हुई है. It's just that I love working and I just thank God and the audience that everything what I'm doing is working. That's
And the
all.
hair is not going to come back.
I'm loving it. I'm continuing my father's legacy, so I'm happy with it.
And now, for the young white in shining, or rather knight in white shining armor. Varun, you have rocked it, and now this is it. It's Shah Rukh sir and you're coming in there. It's almost like you're opening, it's like the opening act.
You know, this is a really crazy moment, I think, for me. Maybe you can call it destiny, because before I became an actor in films, I was an AD on My Name is Khan, which was the last film that Shah Rukh sir and Kajol ma'am did before this. And I would go knock on their door and give them their call times.
And he actually gave call time this morning as well.
No. Today also I tried.
Actually call time दिया उसने सुबह 5:30.
In fact, even I have done that.
For both of them?
For me.
For her.
प्यार तो होना था राजू चाचा.
Did she shout at you?
Never.
She shouted at
I
me
was a good
once.
AD. I'm a good.
He was an awesome AD.
I was a bad AD,
Always.
but I hope I'm a good actor. So this is really special. Before I started, I always said that Rohit Shetty is one of my favorite directors. I want to work with him one day. So 3 years into my career, I'm getting to live this dream, and I can't say anything else that God is great. Rohit sir, you're great. Kajol ma'am, you're great. And Shah Rukh sir, thank you. You're great.
And Varun, you're great as well. You're making so much.
The other Varun has said that he's cute. I want to hear what this Varun has to say for himself now. What do you think you're like in the film?
And don't be modest now, come on.
No, I'm not going to
No
be more. I
modest.
think,
let me say it, he's the most conscientious, hard-working, dedicated actor I've worked in years. And he's really, really brilliant. Genuinely. He'll be the standout point of this film, inshallah, when the film releases.
Shah Rukh said it's an honor and a privilege. There was only one name that was left in my little book of having done a show with for a while. So thank you so much for this opportunity. And I have to say, your stardom grows as much as the scale and everything. It's always so brilliant. So when you see your films, when you see the trailer, can you ever be objective about it sometimes? Are you able to, do you smile inside as well? At that point of time, do you feel just happy that it's all over and it's all looking lovely and big?
Not really. You can't. Actually, it's a feeling of emptiness. जब film बन जाती है, सब इतने अच्छे लोग, सबने इतनी मेहनत की. So actually today it's kind of sad when you present your film outside to the world, because उसके बाद मैं हमेशा कहता हूँ कि film हमारी नहीं रहती. And so भी हमारी नहीं रही है. तो हम चाहेंगे कि जब ये बाहर आ गई है तो जितने भी लोग उसको देखें उतना ही प्यार करें जितना प्यार से हमने उसको बनाई है. So it's I always say it's like giving away a daughter. So it's that kind of a day. I cannot sit down and watch it and get happy and कि हमने कुछ कमाल कर दिया. कमाल हम नहीं करते हैं. कमाल वो करते हैं जिनको फिल्म अच्छी लगती है देखने के बाद. So hopefully we've worked hard and we'll make sure it goes through once again and people like it, because in a certain sense, Rohit and me have worked together, but most of the people here who are friends and colleagues for years, I feel a little responsible that I should not let them down in this film. Not because I'm the star of the film or something, but because somewhere I've got the team together. So I wish that I make sure that everybody is happy, especially Pritam Da. He's done 2 romantic songs for Shah Rukh and Kajol. Iski to vaat lagne
And he wore a suit.
Yeah, and suit. And just a second, because the way we came, हम थोड़ा गुम गए थे, तो हमारे जो writers हैं film के, साजिद और फराद यहाँ पे हैं, so I'd like to call them on stage so they can please come.